Showing line numbers in IPython/Jupyter Notebooks. Error reports from most language kernels running in IPython/Jupyter Notebooks indicate the line on which the error occurred, but, at least by default, no line numbers are indicated in notebooks. Is it possible to add the line numbers to IPython/Jupyter Notebooks?
Ctrl+ML toggles line numbers in the code mirror area. See the quick help for other keyboard shortcuts. In more details, Ctrl+M or ESC bring you to command mode, then pressing the L key should toggle the visibility of current cell line numbers. In more recent notebook versions, Shift-L should toggle for all cells. If you can't remember the shortcut, bring up the command palette Ctrl+Shift+P, CMD+Shift+P on Mac, and search for line numbers. It should allow to toggle and show you the shortcut.
On IPython 2.2.0, just typing L, lowercase l, on command mode, activated by typing escape, works. See help for keyboard shortcuts or for other shortcuts. Also, you can set default behavior to display line numbers by editing custom.js.
To turn line numbers on by default in all cells at startup, I recommend this link. I quote, "Navigate to your Jupyter config directory, which you can find by typing the following at the command line. From there, open or create the custom folder. In that folder, you should find a custom.js file. If there isn't one, you should be able to create one. Open it in a text editor and add this code.
Select the Toggle Line Number option from the view, Toggle Line Number.